Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are making these beautiful and elegant roses with ribbon. These flowers are super easy to make and highly versatile to use. So let's start the video. Cut a strip of ribbon of reasonable length. If you want a big rose, then cut a lengthier piece, and if you want small roses, cut a shorter piece. Now fold one side as shown in the video and glue it with hot glue gun. I am using hot glue gun because it sticks on ribbon firmly and gives long-lasting results. Now you just have to fold and fold and fold and apply glue during the process, and in the end you will get a beautiful rose with shine and depth. You can use these roses for decoration, especially on occasions like Christmas and New Year. You can use them for decoration on birthdays, weddings and anniversaries. Especially you can use them to decorate gifts and cards for your Valentine. Thus it just depends on your own creativity and smartness that how you use these roses. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you try them, please let me know in the comments and tag me on my Instagram, and I will show you your creation in my next video. Bye till my next video. Be good and explore yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel for more videos and crafts.